All right, Jeremy Miner, welcome to the Casa. We are here in Medellin, Colombia. We rented this huge place, came here to do like a podcast tour, lock in our big event we got coming up in Dallas here in July. I have never been on a guy's trip my entire life, okay? I've been married twice, had family, really young in my life. Now I'm single. I've recently had a breakup. I wanted to come here and just kind of get away and do some business, and it was a great time. Really enjoyed everybody. You got great views, guys. Come check out these freaking views. I've never seen something like this. Like, it reminds me of like Miami, Florida on steroids. I personally would not want to have my headquarters of business here because I think half my employees would be like hungover every other night. We got dining room here. Now, we had breakfast made for us every morning. We brought in a private chef. They have a nightclub in here. Not like I dance or do anything with it, but maybe this is your place to roll here. We kind of came here a few times and the guys put on some music or whatever, and there was like some fog in here or something. To each their own. And then right in here, this is a really cool part of this house. This place right here. So this is a little living room area here. You've got like a bar area here, and then you've got this entire pool. You've got a hot tub. When we went to the gym, I ran into probably like 8 or 9 different followers, a couple different clients. We have clients, followers, pretty much every pocket of the world. Come out here and check out these views as well. So you've got these views out here. I'm like, wow, this place is gorgeous. Like, my empire's in Scottsdale, Arizona. That's where our headquarters are at. That's where my kids are at. So I'm, never really gonna leave there. But I could see people like how they're attracted to living here. But I think it's a great place to visit. We had a bunch of, water to, if you want alcohol, whatever you want here. There's like 7 or 8 bedrooms in the penthouse. It's a huge penthouse, a couple bathrooms. And then you got the kitchen as well. So like I said, every night we had snacks in here. I think I ate a little bit too much chocolate at night. Could be trouble. I think I gained 5 pounds on this trip. This was great in here. And then let's go upstairs. Upstairs is really cool. From what we understand, this is like bulletproof gas. That's what they told us. So there you go. We had 2 drivers, both bulletproof SUVs. I don't know if we needed that, but we were safe if we did. Some people that I told that here, like, dude, it's not that bad here in this part of town. Now, in other parts of the town, you would definitely need that. But where we're staying at, supposedly, it's like the Scottsdale or the Beverly Hills of Colombia. Hey, while I'm showing you this house tour, I always want you to learn something. I always want to teach you something in these videos. I'm going to throw in an interaction that I had recently with one of our salespeople and a prospect, and how I helped them overcome a limiting belief and objection that was holding them back. That's going to help you sell more as well. Or you want to call?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up, brother?
Miguel's in 2.0.
Oh, the fundamentals course? Okay, good, man.
Yeah. We're looking into 3.0 right now.
I've only got a couple minutes, guys. And what do you sell?
I'm an agency selling marketing services.
Oh, it's your own agency?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Yeah, marketing agency is one of the top 8 to 15 industries we train. Do you have a chair running or something?
3.0, it's got more specifics, it's got more calls, so that's I think what helped me out.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people in your industry get into pro and advanced inner circle because of the industry specific stuff. So that's pretty normal. Mm-hmm. What are you smiling about?
What do you think I'm smiling about?
I don't know. What are you smiling about?
Jeremy, I'm a bit warm right now, Jeremy.
Why are you warm?
Jeremy, really excited to be talking to you, man. Not gonna lie.
You're what?
Really cool.
Dude,
Not like that, Jeremy.
I'm just a dude. You know what the difference is between us? You have those who are wingers, right? You have those who are dabblers in sales and business. You have those who are know-it-allers who think they know everything. Mm-hmm. And then you have those who are committed to mastery. That's your top 1% and higher. So which one of those do you feel like you are?
Dabbler.
Yeah. Where's that got in your life?
3K a month on the agency.
So what are we going to do about it? Because who's depending on you mastering these skills?
Partner, gonna get married next year.
Congratulations. Does she want you to master this so you get more business, get paid more money?
Most likely, yeah.
Most likely?
Yes.
Is she going to get angry at you if you do?
No.
Does she want you to stay where you're at right now, though?
Hope not. No.
You hope not?
No.
Does she want you to stay there?
No, she doesn't.
Okay. So what's going to put you in the best position?
Taking the next step.
And what's the next step?
Pro.
Yeah. Like Alex Hormozy says, we're not personal friends or anything. We chat here and there on text and stuff, but he talks about, hey, if you want to build your business to $100 million a year, Are you going to go through training from somebody who's never done that themselves?
No.
Could be a problem.
No.
So if you want to
Yeah,
master selling, would it be appropriate to go through training by maybe somebody who's mastered it themselves?
It would definitely be appropriate, yeah.
Might give you a leg up. Anything you'd like to address to me at this point?
No.
Okay, so really the next step would be is figure out how he's, doing the funding for pro.
Yeah.
And then
Yeah.
you'll need to make sure you're on one of my training calls next week. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, I'll see you on the calls, and then I'll see you at our next live event as well, my friend. You gonna be mean to my bro anymore?
I'll do him a hard time. Don't worry about it, Jordan.
All right,
Yeah.
man. Love you. See you on the next training call. See you soon, man. Pretty basic stuff. Had a fear of change, getting into one of our basic programs more advanced. Came in, just asking him a few reframing questions, and now he's telling himself why he can't do it and why he has to do it now. That's what sales and persuasion is. You're not doing it to them, you're doing that for them. You've got a couple of more bigger rooms here, more master suites. This is where I stayed here, the master bedroom. And great views, once again, great views. So got a great view. You probably need to be a little bit more remodeled and stuff in here. It's a little bit older penthouse, but once again, had great views of everything right here. A lot of mornings I would come out here and just kind of ponder, everything and think about where we're going as a company and where am I going in my personal life and with my kids and my family and those type of things. So it was really great just to breathe the air. I love the air here. It's really good. So you got the master bathroom in here. Overall, great. You got these closets here. If there was a lady boss that stayed here, she would be happy with all the cool compartments for shoes. One house manager would run errands for us. We needed groceries, we needed anything, they would just go get it. Bodyguards, I think we had about 12 hours a day. So they would typically come over, 4 in the afternoon, leave around midnight, 1, something like that. Depends on what we were doing, or if we're up late, or if we went into town or whatever. I don't think we even turned on that TV. We didn't even come in here. So here's a little living room here. You got a great view. Let's come back down and we'll finish off. Man, overall, it was just a great trip. Got a lot of business done while I was here. Gonna do a podcast here in just a little bit, go work out, and then we're on a flight back tomorrow. A lot of changes in business and my personal life, but with change comes opportunity, right? There is no growth without change. Loved it, loved the guys trip. First time in my adult life, and I'm in my 40s here, that I've ever, never been on a guys trip before. So it's really exciting, and I don't know if I'll ever go on one again. We got a flight tomorrow morning. And anyways, love you guys. Thanks for watching.